Hello everyone, we are team VSawantLM17 and this is our solution for problem statement 5, retail. In a world where customers seamlessly switch between online and offline shopping, retail systems still struggle to keep up. The result, context loss, poor personalization and lower conversions. With Proteus, we solve this problem by creating a unified, intelligent shopping journey. Let's take you through how our solution redefines omni-channel retail.
These are some of the unique ideas that brings Proteus to life. First, we ensure that our customer's journey is never broken. Using real-time session syncing, what a customer explores online is instantly available across every channel, mobile, web, and in-store. Second, the in-store kiosk and the sales executive app don't work in isolation. They share the same customer history, enabling truly personalized recommendation instead of generic selling. Third, our virtual try-on goes beyond visuals. It combines advanced AI models with fit score and drip score. So, customers don't just see how something looks, they understand how well it fits and how well it goes with their style. Fourth, the kiosk isn't just a screen, it acts as a smart sales assistant, guiding customers, personalizing offers, and supporting staff during peak hours. Our accuracy matters. Our agent cross-verifies product descriptions with customer reviews using NLP, ensuring trust and transparency. An orchestrator agent continuously understands user intent and adapts recommendations in real time. And finally, voice-enabled search removes friction entirely, allowing customers to find what they want as naturally as speaking.
Let me show you how this feels for a real customer. Instead of typing, I simply speak sweatshirts. And instantly, the system understands my intent. A curated menu appears, not just random products, but sweatshirts that match what I'm looking for. I choose one I like, suppose this. Now here's where Proteus becomes intelligent. The 3D try-on button doesn't appear for everyone. It only appears when the system detects high purchase intent. So I'm no longer just browsing, I'm visualizing ownership, I'm building confidence, and that confidence is what turns intent into conversion.
Let's talk about how Proteus understands intent. Intent isn't guessed. We calculate it by observing the number of clicks on a product, the time spent exploring it, interactions like zooming, color changes, and revisits. As these signals grow stronger, Proteus understands that the user is no longer browsing, they're considering. Along with this, using previously entered body details and fit preferences, Proteus automatically recommends the best size for each product. Also, if the customer wants to try the product physically, Proteus opens an in-store option that guides them to the nearest fitting room using maps. So this is the map for a store that is near me in Mumbai. Now let's see what happens in the 3D try-on. Once I click the try it on button, I would be prompted to choose a photo of my choice. It would take some time to upload. Now I would click on processing. Now the processing would take some amount of time naturally because the model would be finding the best fit that would look most natural to you. Here. Now once inside the 3D try-on, the experience becomes deeply personal. The user can experiment with colors, visualize variations, and see how the product truly fits them. These are some of the items that would go well with the product that our recommendation agents recommends. Now when I click add to cart for this item, something powerful is introduced by Proteus, the drip score. The drip score measures how well one product works with another product. How the drip score is calculated? It is calculated based on the similarity between the vector embeddings of different products on the basis of features like colors, type of cloth, material, etc. It helps user understand style and compatibility, not just products. You can select multiple items and the drip score will be seen in almost instantly. And finally, Proteus closes the most critical gap in retail. With one tap on link to kiosk, the customer connects their virtual journey to the physical store. The camera opens, the QR code is scanned at the in-store kiosk, and in that moment, the customer's entire shopping context, their selected products, their liked products, their drip scores, everything moves with them into the store. No repetition, no loss of intent, just a seamless continuation of their shopping journey.
Now coming to our code, this is the code base that we have created as of now. These are the various agents which will be acting as microservices, and this is the backend. As happened previously, the user gave a voice-based query for sweatshirts. Now this request was processed, and according to which 4 recommendations were made. At the same time, when the user clicked on a particular product, the discounts for that product were also retrieved using the another agent, and these were applied onto the product if they are available. Further, the user then clicked on the size recommendation request. So on the basis of the body measurements of the person and the product description, the best match was found out to be the size M. This as you can see, this request was also successful, after which the user clicked on a virtual try on request. Now using the image the user uploaded and our nano banana model, the product was put on to the user, giving an idea of how it would look if they wore it in actual. After that, let's say the user still wants to see how the product feels physically. They can do an in-store try-on booking. This particular request will be routed to our inventory agent, which will then book that particular product in the stock database of that particular store. So as you can see, this request was successful as well. And these are some of the developments that we have done as of now. Furthermore, we will be also in the next round, we will also be presenting about the product description enrichment and different other models that we are working on, and making this a complete system to provide a full package of good retail services for fashion industry.